What's up, guys? It's Wade yet again from MayerFX. I don't know, I probably did this video like a few times over, so I don't know if I'm gonna say the right things this time, but I keep messing it up. But anyway, guys, like you guys know, I would like to ask you guys to please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The whole like thing comes in by, liking the video actually and subscribing to the channel. But anyway, like you guys know, I'll be doing my weekly breakdown as usual. But I also want to tell you guys, at least this time I actually went to go shave and actually got a haircut, so I hope I look much better actually. Maybe just a little bit like I said last time. But as you guys know, I'll be doing my weekly breakdown on US30 GBPJPY, EURUSD and GBPUSD. And as well, something I'm actually going to keep is actually gold. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And as you guys know, after this is my weekly breakdown, and I hope you guys have a fantastic week in the market. Thanks.
Yes, guys, I'm actually back. So this video is a little bit difficult for me to make because I'm actually not at home. So I'm not in my whole office space. I didn't say that in my previous intro, but yes, you guys can see I'm not in the normal environment that I'm actually in. But I will still be doing my weekly breakdown on the market as well. But like I said, I hope you guys have an amazing time in the market this coming week. I hope you guys start making money if you guys haven't started making money. And as well, like I said in the previous intro, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And like I said, the like is liking the video and subscribe the you know. All right, guys, let's do this. Let's do this weekly breakdown and see where we can go and what we can do with this. I might just make myself a little bit smaller. So yeah, there we go. All right, as you guys can see, I'm currently on EURUSD on the 4-hour time frame. As this market, I see it's been moving quite bearish. So for this week, I'll be sticking to this bearish market on this 4-hourly time frame. I know most likely the market can retrace more or less until the specific level of 108474. But more or less, I'm going to look at certain other things for now. Maybe some other market structure more or less there. So as you guys can see, this level right here on 1.077797, that's the mark that I'll be looking for this coming week on EURUSD, as I feel the market might still crumble or might still go bearish or not. But this is more or less something that I'll be looking for this coming market on EURUSD. More or less, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a retracement to the specific level of resistance right here, a retest at the zone here, rejection, and then as well a drop. So as I told you guys previously, you don't just look at specific things. You don't just say, all right, I'm just going to buy and just going to sell. It doesn't really work like that. You need to work on your specific analysis. When you do your analysis and your specific rules of entry that you need to take, or when you need to take entry, that you follow certain rules of your specific strategy that you have, and which I have, and I do actually follow mine to the T. Sometimes not. Sometimes you do make a mistake. We're all human, but the market will teach you differently. So yeah, let's stick to it. As you guys know as well, I do show you guys if I have to look at any buy trades. So I'll most likely look for this specific level of 1.07797 to break on EURUSD and then come back to new levels of support. Once I see a specific rejection at the zone right here and I see it actually looks bullish, then I'll take a step to most likely, after following my specific rules of entry that I have for myself, then I'll look at buy trades on EURUSD. And that's more or less something, or more or less what it might look like when I take specific buy trades on EURUSD. But for now, I'm going to stick to sell trades, and hopefully things will turn out the way that I want them to. As you guys know, I do not trade actually on a Monday, so I first need to see how the market opens and then take it further from there. All right, guys, let's go to GBPUSD. All right, here as well, the market looks exactly the same. It actually does look bearish, but for now, most likely look for the specific level right here. More or less, it might come and actually retest at the zone right here, and then go further bearish, as it currently is bearish at this current moment. So that's more or less what I'll be looking for. So most likely, I hope, or most likely we'll see. As you guys know, you guys don't need to take any of my trades. That's all up to you. It's all at your own risk. So I'll most likely see the market retrace or return to the specific level of 1.25745, and then come see a rejection at the specific level of resistance, and then follow bearish as it currently is. Or I can wait for the specific level of 1.24339 to break, and then from there on look at another retrace back to resistance, as that's the level of support on the 4 hour that I have, and then take it from there. But for now, if I have to look at any buy trades on, what am I doing? Okay, come on. If I take certain buy trades on EURUSD or GBPUSD, sorry, pound to the US dollar, I'll be looking for something like this. Once it breaks that level of resistance, I'll wait for it to come back to new levels of support, reject that specific zone that it is currently at, and then follow certain rules before I take entry, and then I'll look for buy trades from there on out. That's more or less what I'll be looking for GBPUSD if I have to take any buy trades for this coming week. But more or less, I've been looking at sell trades on GBPUSD, so I'll be happy with taking sell trades for this coming week, unless market shows, otherwise. So yeah, that's what I'll be looking for. Let's go to US30. All right, US30 actually sold down, as you guys can see. In my previous video, what is happening? Really now? All right, there we go. So I predicted more or less a sell in US30 for last week, but for this week as well, I'll still be looking for sell trades on US30. So hopefully, if this zone, if the market rejects the specific zone right here, I'll be looking for sell trades as well on US30. But it's possible US30 might go further up and then continue and then reject back down, which it is at this current moment with the daily. All right, so this is more or less if I have to look for something for sell trades on US30, most likely see this rejection at the specific level of resistance. If not, the market might see to break this level of resistance, come back to new levels of support, which will be at 34606.11, and then most likely see a rejection at US30 at that specific zone or level, and then I'll continue buying on US30. If market structure needs to change, if it wants to change more or less where it wants to go, as you guys know, we do not control the market just goes where it wants to go, actually. So yeah, so that's if I have to look for any buy trades on US30 for this coming week. As sell trades, I told you guys more or less, or it can be that the market might retrace, break this level of resistance here on the 4 hour, and then continue further back down. It depends more or less how the market opens this coming week, as you have to see how you want to take specific trades. So for this week on US30, I'll be waiting to see what the market wants to do and wants to show me what it wants to do, and then I'll adapt. As you guys know, as all traders, we do adapt to the market. So for now, we'll see to look for something like this. Sell down on US30. Like I said, if it has to buy, you'll see most likely a break of resistance, and then as well a rejection at new levels of support, and then look at certain levels and look at certain things, your trading plan, your rules that you take before you take certain trades, and then obviously buy on that. Let's go to GBPJPY, which is GJ. All right, GJ. Alrighty. On the daily, it was quite differently, hour as well. So let's do this. Like I said, I do not like complicating my trades. So if I have to take specific trades on this, I'll wait for this specific level right here to break if I have to take any sell trade. So this is the level for the zone I might be looking for, which is 183.7. 183.248. I'll wait for that specific level of support to break, retest at new levels of resistance, and then sell down from there on out. That's what I'll be looking for if I have to look for any sell trades on GBPJPY. If not, you guys know, buy trades as well. I'll wait for the specific level of resistance to break in from there on. Wait for rejection at that zone, at new levels of support, and then buy from there. So, guys, I hope that makes sense. Because obviously, I look at certain levels on the 4-hour time, the daily time frame, and then break it down from 1 hour to 30 minutes and take my entries on 15 or 30-minute time frame, depending more or less where I see the market might go. But this is more just like a guideline if you look at yourself in the higher time frame to see where the market might go in the higher time frame, because that's more or less where the market might push you to. So that's what I'll be looking for GBPJPY this coming week. And next up is gold. I actually took this nice sell trade on gold right here. And these are the marks of my daily time frame support and resistance level. So we might see that the market might continue selling down. What am I doing? Oh, so we might see that the market might come back up to the specific level on a 4-hourly time frame, which is right here. Or it might just continue further down, but let's wait and see if it actually continues. Or yeah, so as sell trades, this is what more or less I'll be looking for gold for this coming week. As you guys know, I do not want to complicate things with certain things as well in the market. It's not nice. You have to think of 130 things at the same time. So if I have to look at sell trades, that's more or less what I'll be looking for. And buy trades, as you guys know, I'll wait for this level of zone to break here. Coming chase back to levels of support. What am I doing? New levels of support there, and then into and then objects and a line and there a line, and then buy. So that's more or less what I'll be looking for gold for this coming week. The market might be a little bit sketchy at times. You don't need to trade every single day. You don't need to. You don't have to. Like I said, follow your analysis, follow your trading plan that you have for yourself, and do not break your own rules. Discipline, please, guys, please. And like always, I like to tell you guys, yet again, risk management is very important. Do not risk the amount in the market that you cannot afford to lose. That's risky in general in life, that you're risking the amount. Come on, guys. Just, adapt to the market and learn out of your mistakes. So yeah, guys, that is me for this coming week. I hope for this coming week, I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I hope you all make money. Thanks.